Hi everyone, I'm Beck and I'm a researcher here at CliniKids. Today I'm talking about camouflaging. Camouflaging is defined as the use of unconscious strategies to minimize the visibility of autism traits. For autistic people, camouflaging can help to manage the demands of neurotypical society, particularly in social situations. However, camouflaging has negative impacts on autistic people, leading to mental health difficulties and exhaustion. The study I'm talking about today from the Netherlands sought to understand if camouflaging was unique to autism by comparing to 3 groups of adults from a larger study. These groups were matched by age and sex, and each group consisted of 105 people. Group 1 consisted of autistic adults, Group 2 adults with ADHD, and Group 3 was a comparison group of non-autistic and non-ADHD adults. Camouflaging behaviour was measured on a questionnaire completed by participants. After comparing the groups, the researchers found that autistic adults scored significantly higher on camouflaging scores than adults with ADHD. They then compared the ADHD group scores to the comparison group and found that the ADHD group scored significantly higher than the comparison group. The researchers then looked into what factors could predict camouflaging by doing further tests with a group of 477 adults with ADHD or autism diagnoses from a larger study, and found that autistic traits were a significant predictor of total camouflaging scores, with higher autistic traits predicting higher camouflaging scores. But ADHD traits were not predictors of camouflaging scores at all. Overall, this tells us that camouflaging is not unique to autism and appears to occur in ADHD adults too. While ADHD traits did not predict camouflaging in this study, it is important to consider that the questionnaire used in the study was designed for measuring camouflaging in autism and might not give us a full picture of ADHD camouflaging. Given that ADHD camouflaging scores were significantly higher than the comparison group, future research needs to investigate ADHD camouflaging strategies and the consequences of camouflaging on people with ADHD.